Vietnam, Phenikaa Hue inherits strength from Phenikaa Group, a leading technology and industrial ecosystem gathering over 4,000 personnel, and the momentum from Vicostone, a top 3 premium engineered stone brand globally. Phenikaa Hue is proud to be a pioneer representative from Vietnam in the deep processing of minerals industry. Possessing a modern production scale, we provide raw materials that meet the strictest standards of the global engineered stone, coating, dental, casting, and engineering polymer markets. Phenikaa Hue's export network does not only stop domestically but has established a solid presence in India, Thailand, Malaysia, and many Southeast Asian countries. Especially, our outstanding quality has helped us confidently conquer the demanding European market. Phenikaa Hue owns the CDE sand washing line from India with a capacity of 120,000 tons per year, which completely eliminates impurities, ensuring the raw materials achieve maximum purity. The heart of the plant is the Grenzbach kill system from Germany, producing Cristobalite products. The automatic heat treatment process at up to 1,500 degrees Celsius helps transform the crystal structure, bringing forth the most perfect products. Combined with the Hosokawa milling system from Germany, it creates ultra-fine powder lines with a capacity of 5 tons per hour. In parallel, we strictly control every process. Each batch is rigorously tested for whiteness, black particle ratio, size, and other standard parameters. With a capacity of nearly 100,000 tons per year, every batch is controlled and packaged to standard, ready to ensure a stable supply for both the domestic market and export. Phenikaa Hue has also put into operation the Bio-quartz manufacturing plant. It covers an area of nearly 40,000 square meters with a total investment of 400 billion Vietnam dong. The state-of-the-art Breton technology system from Italy. This creates the Bio-quartz material line, totally free of crystalline silica. A green solution that protects workers' health, expected to meet a production scale of up to 80,000 tons per year. Steadfast in the ESG sustainable development strategy, Phenikaa Hue greens its production chain with practical actions, optimizing solar energy, controlling emissions, and operating a closed-loop water circulation system. We also actively participate in environmental and local charitable activities. These efforts have been validated by 5 prestigious international management certificates along with the 2024 Green Environment Award. Phenikaa Hue, where mineral essence is elevated by the power of technology and green aspirations. We are ready to accompany you in creating a prosperous and sustainable future.